Hello, fellow Southern Cameroonians. I'm delighted to be with you again. It is true that I'm really delighted to be with you, not because the events are just full of joy, not because everything is about success, winning, and all the likes. There are a lot of low moments. But you know, when we're in a revolution, we must at all times stay above these low moments. I know we have all seen the numerous videos and pictures of our brothers and sisters and even babies who are refugees right in the borders between Cameroon or Southern Cameroons and Nigeria, particularly from Akwaya. Yes, an entire subdivision, let me call that an entire local government area, has emptied itself into Nigeria. That is an indication that a lot of things are happening on the ground. An indication that the repression from Yaoundé is knowing no stopping, no limits, and no bounds. It is also an indication that we too have to continue to gird our loins, to go all the way, to fight and fight and fight on. There are several ways that we can all continue to fight. Those who are on the front, those of us, I bet you, who are on the front right back at home, on ground zero, let us continue to put in our all to respect the instructions that come from the governing council. Those of us who are in the diaspora, who are battling one way or the other to bring in financial contributions to sustain this struggle, let us continue to do just our best. Those of us who are in the diaspora, who are carrying out actions before diplomatic missions, before international media houses, before all sorts of authorities across the world, let us continue to do just that. There are also a lot of us who are making wonderful contacts out here, yes, to ensure that our story continues to be heard, that our story continues to strike the chord, and that we continue to win like extremely seriously on the diplomatic front. And winning, we really are doing. I know that a good lot of us are wondering. We are saying the Secretary General of the United Nations is coming to Cameroon. Is he even going to get to Southern Cameroons? The first thing that you need to know is he doesn't necessarily need to get to Southern Cameroons. Remember that it is not the first time he will be meeting Mr. Paul Biya to talk, because Mr. Guterres, at the behest of the Foley Hawk law firm, with all the pressure that we've been putting in through this very invaluable partner, talked with Mr. Paul Biya while he was in New York. They had a serious exchange. If Mr. Guterres decides on his way to the Central African Republic that he'll come and spend over 3 hours in Yaoundé again to talk with Mr. Paul Biya, it is an indication that he is not satisfied with what they discussed before. It is an indication that he is not satisfied with the outcome of the earlier discussion. This tells you that we have continued to draw the attention of this body to the atrocities on the ground. It shows say we did succeed for make they understand say everything we Yaoundé they tell they say they do not just cosmetic arrangements. Now the reason that we eat the camp, I know say plenty of we go to check say okay, the for just talk say Secretary General for United Nations, they come so make you announce say I go Southern Cameroons, I go visit all countries for Southern Cameroons, I go talk with all man. Make we know. Say before big man the one come, Chinda they come for before. And I be very convinced, say plenty of we for Southern Cameroons would already be able for talk for one United Nations agent or the other, sometime either directly or indirectly through other people, then way they send and for ask you questions. Because they come in advance or can't see for themselves. Because Foley Hawk law firm, through pressure, don't tell them. Say this thing the way they send them from from Yaoundé, a good lot of them know bear the truth. So make all we know, say plenty work to be done. They no be Roma for one day. They take plenty time for be Roma. So we go continue for drum. Make we not check at any given moment, say one effort be small because one very rapid result. Anytime we want to take shortcut, I'll be very sure, say plenty of we don't realize say shortcut the end up being very long. So the approach, the method we don't take now the correct method. When I don't hear Ma talk say all we don't hear, because I talk when I say na only una me to be inclusive. All we don't hear from international media, from inner city press, say Paul Biya and the people there for Yaoundé, they don't continue for do it, they know how to do and plenty. They don't almost empty the whole government treasury for take and bribe people then for United Nations. Una no see and say na victory for we, because look what the way they happen. Una don't see what they happen with public contract execution on the ground. Make una look and find. Contractors, they abandon all jobs because since February, government not be able for pay bills and for contractors. Yes, people they don't deposit bills them. For they don't work, so they go reach 1/4 half. They say, okay, government pay me the one I don't already do, I take and finish the rest. Kobo, you know they. The one they do work since last year. I assure you, say since February, they never be able for pay no nothing. Because all money they gonna for fight Southern Cameroon, either for send soldiers, for send gendarmes, for send police, or outrightly for bribe we. I sure say all we don't see them again for newspaper reports. Say Atanga Ponji, and I must congratulate you for this one. Say Paul Biya moved 10 billion. No, that year, 10 billion. Say I made a take and can bribe leaders, Anglophone leaders, Southern Cameroonian leaders, and they say Atanga Ponji don't chop plenty of that money with other that chief slaves away the day Yaoundé and Douala and that big cities. They don't chop a good chunk of that money, and Paul Biya don't realize them. Say they chop plenty of that money. Why they chop it? Because they can would deny for take them. Would they tell them say we get objective, we know what we want to do, and make all we see them. This thing is the drain all money from that system. Very soon, that people that for La Republic where they laugh with, they're not gonna be able to forget salary. Very soon, that people that for La Republic where they laugh with, they carry their teeth and chuck. They're not gonna be able to live again the way they live. New taxes then go come up. Life go become very strong. Then they go woke up. They be na victory this. Who are win for which kind of way? Would the match person they drain it so they would see what I talk sometimes they say would they wonder whether would they win. As I don't talk this one, so they all we hear. Make we now understand. Say the speech where chairman for Southern Cameroon's Governing Council, Sisiko Ayuk Tabe make yesterday. For mobilize all we make we know. Say Friday the 27th that goes down, make all man take us seriously. That goes down for this Friday. This Friday, all we must stay inside our houses. Make even mosquito, make even fly, make it no pass for outside. Make no man no talk say, I be go because I want to take picking go school. I don't even know who tell you say school don't resume. Because according to that speech, school never resume. You know suppose for don't resume. Any person where they send it picking for school at this point in time, you do and so at your own risk because the thing where La Republic don't do them, they go continue for do them. And when you send your picking for school at this point in time, where you know say they still carry corpses for people the way they don't die from bush, where plenty picking they don't empty whole counties, whole local government areas run because of trouble. Now which school you go? Now which school you want to send your picking for day? No say the blood for that picking the way they die, it day for your hands. So this Friday, as chairman don't talk. I know say I don't read reactions from plenty of una who una complain. May I say una because me at least I be get the opportunity for read them for on top paper. I mean people the way they watch it, they complain. Say the sound quality not be good, the images they be get problems, all this and that. But at least we'll be able to capture the message. The key message now say when Secretary General come for Yaoundé, make it take time for find out clearly what way it happen. And say we will go get for in our own way collectively for send a sound message by observing this ghost town steps so the way even this La Republic soldiers and police and gendarmes, the way they go to work for that road, them ghosts self go to haunt them because they no go see even fly, even mosquito, even dog no go there for road. So this one I think way we must do them. And not only this determination for continue for do these things, now it go give you the victory where we want them. May we ignore all kind of distractions. Those distractions, they no go take we go any side at all. So I want for assure all we country people, make no man no make mistake. No day outside on Friday. I know say plenty of we will feel say this Friday make we come out in black, we carry peace plans, we carry pictures for people the way they don't die, the one the way they don't lose, the one the way they don't maim them. But you know say at every given point in time, not only one choice we go make. So governing council be examine all these proposals, they make one choice and anyway Chairman Sisi could announce them, and he go find make all we respect them. Now Anglo-Saxon values and that. Now democracy in play. Now so we would make sure see democracy he operate for where we all man go like him and all man he go enjoy him. Now man talks other thing will be interesting way don't they pass these days them. And I sure say this so these chief slaves them now way they like and for look and plenty take and send for now for take and make distraction. I sure say all we don't look am. We don't read that newspaper where they call and say Watchdog Tribune. We publish some big article. Now so they glad that they carry their skin up. Yes, that people them they don't tear themselves apart for over money. Yes, which Watchdog talk. Watchdog talk say Patashan don't talk say the new country it go worse past la Republique du Cameroon for embezzlement. They talk say the chairman for the deputy chairman, yes, for judiciary council, he don't resign because they don't deny for address corruption. And then he no even end for day. He started glad so they go pass. He talk say now got the way for make and say make Cameroon remain one indivisible and strong. He even go far. He say we SCBC say they go soon lock him because we no go be able for pay satellite bills. My laugh, my choice for laughter for that point small. Don't say I like laugh. And then you know end for day. He talk say governing council they can go collapse. Oh, my dear country people, we not see make all we take we either open now we see them. Now, so stupid people then they behave. When they don't know values, they go can't see things when a virtue, they call us a vice. Make we all understand. Anglo-Saxonism means say democracy, means say accountability. It means say waiting, means say transparency. It means say at every given moment, we chairman, we vice chairman, we secretary general, all we leaders them, none of them not be demigod. No, not be so it dey for we like it dey with them. Yes, with them we know say Papa Paul be away talk say Papa hey they go say make you not try. Someone they say talk say they be creatures. No, not be so it dey for Anglo-Saxon culture. For Anglo-Saxon culture, what you would do? Would they make sure say checks and balances then be taken care of in real time? If man joke with one kobo, they go tell you say na lie, no play with that kobo because for work $100 strong. So when man don't struggle, work that money contribute them, will not fit cover eye make some man thief them. So now see now why that way we leaders them. The debate where they go on among them now for established transparency, na very healthy debate. It is show we say that Southern Cameroons would go bilam na country where no man no go cover eye for embezzlement. I sure say all we remember 1986 when they be say Mr. Paul Biya your brothers them they did thief money that time with the holla say they go run with down National Produce Marketing Board they be agree in no turn look am. If you be do like what way they happen for inside governing council now, we not sure say money for goes on side. No way. So me I believe say this one the show winner say any one couple will contribute them, no man if you play with them because each of who leaders them they look the other one very keenly say no make error. You no make error, like I go talk. We must clap for we leaders them. We must congratulate them for doing this right before our eyes. So that make we know. Say for we new Southern Cameroons, no vice no go be promoted. Say for we new Southern Cameroons, no man no go be demigod. Say for we new Southern Cameroons, we go be able for whole leaders them publicly accountable and they go account to we. So I want make we see as a healthy process. So now why they wanna see them? For La République du Cameroon, they check say this one collapse. Oh, sorry. Nothing that way God did do them. So that by the time we want to go enter our country, we don't move all evils. We don't really chakara all the bad practice and way. For 56 years, we don't gather these evils them. So it be normal say some small thing them still there for inside our hearts, for inside our skin them. So we go move them. Small. So as we leaders they battle for see how they go clean the whole thing, make we not look and like problem. Make we not even take and like say it disturb we struggle. Make we instead say and I say it show say this thing we will fight for na correct one. Because if the correct thing way we fight for, like this but they go say okay, may we gang ourselves together when this but they contribute money, we chop up. No be so way go day. I sure say all we will feel remember plenty we don't read. Don't go school, don't read book. Some book they were some big man for English we write them. George Orwell, the title being an animal farm. We people them fight, talk, say no. Make them chase man away because man now the only evil that way if they chase you away, all animals they go live fine. But I know what will happen. All we know what will happen. Immediately they finish chase man, picks them, decide now for replace man, and then start control other animals. Start do the same thing when man be doing for all the animals now for until the rest of the animals. Pigs then take small dogs and transform them as their guards. Start climb for all man in head. This thing would make sure say no go happen for Southern Cameroons. We go get a clean country. Now, why that way we must hail these leaders because they hold each other in check. Very wonderful initiative. Now, I don't finish talk that one, and I go remind we all. Say Jesus Christ said talk for Bible. Say the only thing we need for do that for make sure say you enter heaven. If now your eye go make you sin, make you do it, move the eye to where. Better you enter heaven with one eye than for not enter heaven at all. So, even if only 10 people, when they don't make so chakara, this thing they so use chekere, shivam. Even if only 20 people they remain for take all we go for boya, it go better than some who no enter boya at all. So we must congratulate all these great men, all them. It's also not great men than all. They do wonderful things so that each and every one of them will know day for level will day. So we must congratulate them and may we continue for support them even as they struggle for hold each other in check. Now, we don't listen to Nkongo Felix Agbobala, who may be a president for consortium. We don't hear what Bala the talk. Me, I just not to like me Congo Sao, but sometimes when I hear him, my mouth it go talk him. Because my belly no be stop. I should say, we know me no. Say now so don't always talk at me, even when I be down for that glass building from Bala too. And they talk at me. The truth way he did and say, when Bala be there prison, I remember say one of those people they will be the same message to all time. Say make sure, say goes down then strong. Make goes down the be na mami water goes down like big brother Bo Herbert used to talk. Say may we make sure say Pekin they no go back for school. Say because if Pekin then go back for school, they go die for prison, they go kill them. Say because say if the stop goes down, they go kill them. Today, Brother Bala, after we don't pray, we don't fast, we don't do everything, we don't make sure say schools no go, make sure say ghost town upon ghost town. They way Barrister Bala they go court na ghost town. They way they talk say they don't make a make Bala head X more na ghost town. Sote, but Brother Bala don't come out now. He don't leave Mancho Bibixi. He don't leave Pen. He don't leave Manasata. He don't leave plenty with brothers them for day. Now he talk say make they go back for school. Hey, make a talk. Anyway, I see I'm plenty eyes. They look me say make a just leave and so I don't raise and we don't understand them. Brother Bala, we dey still gather corpses them. Even as I talk today, they still discover corpses them for bush for picking them way. They don't disappear. Plenty families are carrying now. They don't know where they are picking them day. We dey see them. Whole local government areas them. No one man no day for day. Now which school? We dey talk say make we go. Brother Bala, even you still go talk say make some brothers the way they day for Kondengi, make the right letter. For Pobia, for beg, he say, Papa will beg, will be make mistake, release we. Brother Bala. Anyway, I know I join people where they chastise you because I know, say you get this revolution for your heart. Even a mistake where you make them, come back to reason, brother. All man go still be ready for receive you. So that make you continue this revolution because the only stop point for this revolution, na boya, na total restoration where don't be declared, now one make it be actual. We want to make it be factual. We want to make it be physical. Make it be felt. Make all man see them. I want to make all man begin to enjoy that new country. Now, the only moment that we will go stop. Me, I go stop for talk for the episode today. But before I want to stop for talk, I want to remind all we. Say, fourth conclave, it start on the 27th. So make all we eyes and we do on that fourth conclave. So that the new strategies will bring out from this conclave. The new approach and we will go sharpen and talk so they take and go, we will go so they will go win. Make all man know, say no stopping, no day. I know, say plenty things and they will the one here. Say now this one will go do, now that one will go do, now this one will go do, chap. Make all we know. Say all we to know. Governing council know which way we want to make them do them. Governing council know how we go there. But we don't choose a peace and diplomacy option. Now you way we go take go. Yes, I remember Some people don't remind me. Say Paul there be talk, say pursue one piece, make it prepare for war. Chris man no go carry your clothes, the run where they watch. You come on naked start run to go for it back now. Make we take and calm. Victory. Now only ye we will go stop at. Nothing no go stop we. God is with us.